Are you hungry, bro?
Hungry, man. Let's do this.
Yes. It's a pretty busy time of the night. People are setting up their stalls for the night market, which happens right on the street later tonight. This is my favorite place of Hanoi, the Old Quarter. It's a busy place. Well, it's packed, but people need to eat. And Hanoi has tons of restaurants to please everyone's taste. We're gonna do our best to hit up a good variety of local specialties and eat our faces off. We're guessing it's probably gonna be a long night of eating and lots of walking. So we're gonna fuel up with an egg coffee and grab a banh mi. So trying my first egg coffee, it is so good. It's really well balanced. So I thought that it would be really eggy in flavor. You put in 1 egg yolk, Vietnamese coffee, some sugar, and after they serve it to you, you have to stir it up. And they keep it in this bowl of warm water. It's a great way to start the night. Bun Cha is a grilled pork and noodle dish which originates from Hanoi. And after pho, Bun Cha is one of its most famous and delicious dishes. You load this up with a bunch of chili and garlic. We threw in some mint, some Vietnamese basil, some purple herb, and some stuff I really don't know the name of. But you mix it all in the bowl and get it all in there. The noodles are perfectly done. The soup's very sweet though. It's a little bit sweeter than we had down in Ho Chi Minh, but I think I like this better. And the pork they threw in this is fantastic. Next on the list, dried beef salad. So we're gonna fill up our own little cups here with all the ingredients, and then we're gonna make sure we get some of that sauce in there too. So we can actually just lift up the bowl and pour it in. With Graham's nod of approval, I go in for a try. The ingredients on their own aren't blowing me away, but that's without the best part. So it's all in a sauce. It's gonna be water, rice wine vinegar, some lemon, some sugar, a nice balance of flavors. It's super refreshing. So on top we have dried beef, and really thinly cut papaya, so it's quite crispy. It's really good. We walked up to a group of ladies who were making rice paper right outside their restaurant.
Oh wow.
I gave it a go and did all right.
Oh, professional. That out.
Oh yes, yes.
We cooked up our steamed rice cakes and we're sampling them right now. They put in some minced pork and mushrooms, and they topped it with fried onions, and then we're going to be dipping it in the sauce, which is a fish sauce, rice wine vinegar, garlic, chili kind of blend. And mix it up in there. Very good.
Oh my god.
It's really good actually. It's amazing. It's amazing. It doesn't take it's not water anymore.
I've noticed everything we've ordered has come out real quick. After just a couple minutes, we were served up this delicious looking bowl. This one was a little bit spicier than the others, but really good. ready to get a mean dose of the food sweat, so I'm gonna cool off with some sticky rice and ice cream. I can see why this is the most popular dessert in Hanoi. This is tasty. We have our sticky rice on the bottom, we have our fresh ice cream on top, and then they have coconut shavings that they throw on top of that. And then you mix it all up. It is delicious. We came at a really good time because on the weekend from Friday at 7 o'clock till the end of Sunday, they shut down this whole section of the old quarter. So no motorbikes or cars are allowed to come through. People are out here playing games, dancing, singing. It's pretty fun. And so we're gonna do probably a couple laps of the water here, do some shopping, work off some of this food, and see where the night takes us.